Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara and for today's video I am going to show you how to make ice cream at your home with the available ingredients at your home. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. Ingredients you will require are vanilla essence, fresh cream, 500 gram, and you will require food color. Here I am taking pink food color. You can take any color of your choice, a bowl and a blender. So first take a bowl and pour 500 gram of fresh cream in it and start blending it into a thick paste. The fresh cream needs to be in this consistency, a very thick form of the fresh cream. Then take vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and mix it with the fresh cream. Then take food color 3 to 4 drops and mix it well. After mixing that properly, I am taking another container. If you want, you can store the cream in the bowl also, but here I am going to use another container, depends on you. And then start tapping it on the surface so that there are no lumps and bubbles left. Then store the ice cream overnight or for 6 to 7 hours and your ice cream is ready. Today's video. If you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel, and do let me know in the comments what next video you want and I will surely work on it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.